Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Do you want to control who can see the videos you have liked on TikTok? In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to manage the privacy of your liked videos on TikTok. So let's get started. By default, your liked videos are visible only to you. But if you want to change that, here's what you need to do. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner and then go to Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Privacy and scroll down to Liked Videos. Here you will see two options, Only Me or Everyone. If you select Only Me, no one else will be able to see the videos you have liked, not even your followers. But if you choose Everyone, anyone can check out the videos you have liked just by visiting your profile. That's it. Simple and easy. Tech related tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.